Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So listen, this one's kinda crazy. I made over $200 online just by playing games. I know, sounds like a scam, but I promise it's legit. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. And more importantly, how you can use the same trick to potentially make up to $900. Let's get into it. So, with this website, I was able to earn over $200, and this is a website that allows you to make money while playing games. As you can see, they have all kinds of games. So every time you play any of these games, you get rewarded. Now there's a trick that I want to show you that you can do in order to earn as much as $900. Now most of these websites allow you to make money depending on the location that you are in. So if you're in a certain location, you're going to earn less, but you in a different location, you're going to earn more. And this is a survey site where you can make money online just by participating in services, downloading apps, and playing games. It depends on the country you're in, though. Now, I'm going to show you how I did it. If you go to this site called MoreLogin, link in the description, it's an anti-detection browser. What it does specifically is it creates you an IP address for a specific country or multiple countries, which is ideal for people who want to create multiple social media accounts for different countries. So for example, you can create multiple Facebook accounts, multiple Instagram accounts, multiple TikTok accounts. And this is especially useful for people who want to join TikTok and create plans in specific regions like the United States, the United Kingdom, France, and Brazil. And that's what MoreLogin does. It's essentially an anti-detection browser, which is very different from a VPN because it offers a lot more protection than a VPN. And this is even great for people who are into affiliate marketing because, as we all know, some affiliate networks won't allow you to join the network just because you're in a specific location. ClickBank is a great example of this. So you can actually sign up at clickbank.com and log in and start promoting their products. So what you have to do is go to this website, click on download, and then download it on your Windows or Mac, okay? And once it's finished downloading, it's going to look like this. Okay, here you're going to have all of your profiles. Now, if you want to create a new profile, you just need to click on Add Profile here, and then give your profile a name. For example, if you want to create a FreeCash account, you need to enter the name there and then scroll all the way to Advanced. Click on Advanced, and then scroll to the bottom again and you will see the starting URL. Here, you will enter the FreeCash website, which is free.com, and then click on Create Profile. Now, the most important step is to add a proxy. You can click the pen icon under the proxy information and bind a proxy. There are three methods: binding a new proxy, using an existing proxy, or purchasing a built-in proxy. After creating multiple profiles, click Start to launch them. You will notice that each profile has a unique and different network identity information. Now you can sign up and start playing their games, taking surveys. They have all kinds of offers. If we click on this, you'll see all the offers they have. And as you can see, they pay really well. Most are over $100. Some are even up to $200. So these are the games you can play. You can join this site and make money with this service. This is just one of many sites you can join. There are also many survey sites where you can get paid just for participating in the service and playing games. Now again, it depends on the location. That will determine how much money you get. Okay, I have a link in the description that has my coupon in it. You can use my link. You can get 150 free profiles for 14 days. The free account only allows you to create 2 profiles, but if you pay for premium and use my link, you can create multiple profiles to add accounts. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, don't be stingy with likes, subscriptions, and comments. See you on the next one.